Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from Tesal Elementary School, and today we are back with our another science experiment. So hello everyone.
Hello.
Today's science experiment is making lava lamp, and we have our ingredients with us. At first we have vinegar. It's what? Vinegar. All right. And what about this?
Baking soda.
This is baking soda. And this is cooking oil, okay? To make a fluorescent. All right. Now, we have taken a spoon and a glass. At first, we are going to add some baking soda into the glass, okay? So, let's get started. All right. After that, I'm going to add the cooking oil into this glass. Okay? All right. And lastly, we are going to add vinegar, but before adding the vinegar, I will set a torch below the glass so that we can see the lava lamp so nicely. So now we are adding vinegar, okay? So let's get started. Everyone look at the reaction here. So what if we add more vinegar in it? So now I'm going to explain the reason behind that. We know that baking soda is what? Basic, right? And vinegar is acidic. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda produces carbon dioxide, which we have seen in this bubbles. The bubbles are basically the bubbles of carbon dioxide. So, and in the oil medium, we can see it more in a more better lens. Okay, so the reason is what? The gas that is produced in this glass is carbon dioxide, right? So you are trying to say why the oil and the vinegar level are separated, right? Acha. We know that oil is denser. We have already learned about density, right? So the two liquids have different densities, will never be mixed. That's why oil and vinegar have two different densities. That's why this phase are separated. এই জন্য তেল আর ভিনেগারটা একদম সেপারেট হয়ে আছে, দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমরা, তাই না? Okay, all right. Did you understand?
Yes.
Was it informative?
Yes.
Was it exciting?
Yes.
All right. So that's all was for today. And we will be back with our another exciting science experiment video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.